We're at the ProSubs booth at the 2014 LA Fit Expo. You guys have been with us before, but this year you got a bigger booth. What's the difference been, and what's your experience been like this year?
Well, I just always, we always love to support this, absolutely support this event. As you can tell, the turnout every year is enormous, and we just, it's just great to be here because the people here, they come to buy, they come to, learn about product, and obviously us being a newer, growing brand, we want to show face and do all we can to really support the community and just be around here, and whether it's handing out samples, selling product, all that kind of stuff. So I love this expo. This is our favorite expo, and that's what we, just being here is awesome.
Sales have been good?
Yeah, you look around, absolutely. Yeah, the people here, they know their product. That's what's, they're already educated on a lot of the product, and when they find out a new brand like ours, they're, that much more motivated to buy.
Tell us about the brand. Tell us about some of the new products.
We have a few new products that are out that we've, especially since last year. We have a liver pill that we came out with. We're known for our Jekyll and our Hyde, obviously, but now we have our obviously our Carbolic as well. But we came out with an eye focus pill, kind of like a focal agent type pill that you could take with pretty much anything. Pump pill called NO3 Drive that's brand new, kind of like the latest, greatest type of deal on the market. And like I said, our Guardian that's out there as well.
And where can folks find these products now? Where are they available?
A lot of them are mainly in a lot of the brick and mortar type stores, as well as you can find us in GNC and Vitamin Shop as well. We're a growing brand. In less than 2 years, we've done a lot of amazing things and made some amazing strides. So,
if people want more information, what's the website they can go to?
ProSubs.com. You can check us all out. We have all the information, everything that you need to find right there.
Terrific. Well, we appreciate you guys being here. The booth looks awesome.
Thank you.
We'll see you up in July in San Jose.
Looking forward to it. Thank you very much.